what's up, you guys? I know this might seem a little different because I'm not with Fernando right now. Then that's because I came back to the West Coast because I was feeling homesick. You know, I was raised in Easton, Pennsylvania, but you know, when I moved out to California, California is just so different, so nice, it's so much better. And you know, I went back and I was supposed to be there in PA for 9 months till November, but you know, I just needed to come back to California, you know, because I feel like California is like my home, you know. Yeah, and plus I didn't like the snow anymore. Yeah, it was so cold. It was just not fun anymore. It was nice seeing my family, my friends, hanging out with them. I had a great time over there. I can't deny that. But you know, sometimes you gotta follow where your heart is, and my heart is in California now, and I love being here. I love it. You know, it's so much different. So right now, what I'm trying to do is film a vlog about Palm Springs. I live in the Coachella area, but you know, I thought it would be cool to show you guys around Palm Springs. At least we're gonna go have something to eat. I haven't had breakfast yet, so we're gonna go get some breakfast in the area of Palm Springs, and I'm gonna show you guys around. I'm still going to Costa Rica, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Honduras, and Guatemala, enjoying with Fernando. So lifestyle travelers, we're still on. We just live in different states. Right now I'm actually in a town called Cathedral City. I mean, I'm not just gonna show you Palm Springs, I'm gonna show you wherever I go. So, you know, so you guys can see what it's like to live here and what there is to do. So, yeah, right now I'm in Cathedral City. I'm driving towards Palm Springs right now. And yes, I'm driving and filming at the same time, but, you know, I'm still paying attention to the road. Alright guys, so right now we're going to a restaurant called Elmer's. I'm still parked in my car, but right now we're gonna go eat some breakfast because I'm starving. Alright guys, so we just got done eating. Right now I found this very cool sign that you can see is made with graffiti, and I think I'm gonna do some drone shots here. It looks very nice and open. The weather is better now. It's not as windy as it was when I was all the way over there by Cabazon. I was trying to get some better drone shots, but you know, I guess I'll just have to do them here. So let's see how the drone shots come out. See guys, things like this is what makes it worth traveling around and just getting to know where you live, getting to know the city, because you can come across things like this and just see something different, you know. And that's what traveling is about, seeing things different, trying new food, meeting new people, you know. So right now I think I'm gonna go to like a shop so I can show you guys where to shop around here. It's gonna be the first time I go too, so it's gonna be fun. So let's go there right now.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so right now I'm walking through the streets of Palm Springs, and let's check out some of the stores that they have around here. It's pretty amazing to be around here. Alright, so I just left the museum, the art gallery. It's called Elena Built-in Fine Gallery. No, Fine Art. But it's pretty awesome, guys. It's pretty awesome to come see art and to come see different things.
Oh, here's the...
Person that likes to wear different kinds of socks, like funny ones, that's a pretty cool place to go. I'm gonna just drive by where I wanted to show you guys, like where the little shopping centers are, so you guys can see. So when you guys come, hopefully you guys come here. It's on South Palm Canyon and Palm Springs. So here it is. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it wasn't like all that, like a lot of things, but you know what, it was just a little bit. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing some vlogs when I go to LA, going to the beach, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to go to Vegas. So I'm definitely gonna take the camera, the drone, and fly around Vegas, and definitely the beach when I do go to the beach in LA. Santa Monica is my favorite, so I'll see you guys then.